Welcome to Ghent, Belgium, a city where history meets vibrant culture and breathtaking architecture. Ghent is a hidden gem that captivates visitors with its unique blend of medieval charm and modern sophistication. Join us to explore this enchanting city filled with picturesque canals, cobblestone streets, and a rich history and heritage. Sit back, relax, and let us guide you through the captivating beauty of Ghent, Belgium. We kick-started our day in this charming city with a perfect trio: coffee, waffles, and chocolate. Ghent's cozy cafes along the canal side and chocolate shops are a dream come true for food lovers. The Belfry of Kent is an iconic landmark that proudly stands tall in the city's historic center. This medieval tower, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers breathtaking panoramic views of Kent from its top. With its impressive height of 91 meters, the Belfry provides a glimpse into the city's heart and serves as a symbol of Kent's prosperity and civic pride. St. Ghent Cathedral is situated just beside the Belfry Tower. This stunning Gothic masterpiece will leave you in awe with its intricate architectural details. It dates back to the 14th century. Its towering spires and intricate Gothic design are absolutely beautiful. Take a leisurely stroll through Ghent's city centre and explore the enchanting streets dotted with fascinating churches, each with its own unique character. Walking through the city centre and visiting these remarkable churches is a wonderful way to embrace Ghent's cultural and religious heritage. Belgian fries, also known as frites, are loved by people all over the world. These fries have a crispy outside and a soft inside, making them absolutely delicious. Whether you dip them in mayo or eat them without a dip, Belgian fries are a perfect example of the amazing foods that Belgium has to offer. If you are in Belgium and you don't try these crispy fries, your tour will be incomplete. Kravenstein Castle is a beautiful fortress in Kent. This medieval gem is filled with fascinating history and is a true reflection of the city's past. With its strong stone walls and tall towers, the castle looks incredibly impressive. As you explore the castle's ancient halls and climb up to its battlements, you will feel like you have stepped back in time to the world of knights and noble families. Kravenstein Castle is a must-visit attraction that showcases the rich heritage of Belgium in a truly captivating way. Canal cruise is another must-do in Kent. As you drift along the tranquil waterways, you can enjoy Kent from a different perspective. You have to admire the architecture, historic bridges and colorful facades that line the canals. You can take a boat trip from Grasslight area. The captain will also tell the history of the most famous and beautiful spots while giving the canal tour. Graffiti Street, another famous tourist spot of Kent. This colorful lane showcases the city's thriving street art, with talented local and international artists leaving their mark on every wall of the street. As you stroll through this urban gallery, you will be amazed by the creativity, diversity, and thought-provoking messages conveyed through the vibrant murals. Welcome to Grassley, the picturesque Waterfront Promenade in the heart of Kent. This beautiful waterfront area is a perfect place to relax and enjoy the city's tranquility. This area is surrounded by stunning built houses. Once this was a bustling center of trade and commerce. There are a lot of nice cafes and famous restaurants along the promenade where you can enjoy your time leisurely with a cup of coffee or a meal. We tried in Manhattan's, which is very famous for fries and American-style burgers.
From Brooklyn, from Manhattan. We are here in Ghent, but it's like America. Welcome.
Thank you.
This was Kent from our lenses. If you have enjoyed the journey with us, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Take care and see you soon.